Hello students, I Parnika, your computer teacher, is here to talk about
interesting program which is MS Paint or Microsoft Paint. MS Paint is a program which is really fun to work with just because it helps us to create and draw and color new things. You can draw anything of your choice. You can color in any color which you want. So this helps you to draw and color pictures. So how we can actually go ahead and open Paint, what I'll do is I'll go to the search box, I'll click here and I'll type Paint, Paint, and I will open Paint. So the screen which is coming in front of you right now is the Paint window. This is known as the Paint window. Using the Paint program, you can easily draw and color pictures on the computer screen. So if you wish to draw something using a computer, you can always work on MS Paint or Paint. Okay. So you can edit your drawing which you have made. You can even take the printout of the picture which you have drawn. So everyone, in the previous class, we learned about some of the tools. So we'll just do a quick revision related to the tools which we have already studied in the previous class. So where are these tools located? Some of the tools which we have already studied are here. Just see, I'm marking it in orange color. These are the tools, these are the shapes basically which we have already learned. Okay, these are the shapes. Under these shapes, there are a lot of shapes which you have already done. We'll just see a quick revision related to the same. We have learned about what is this tool, what is this tool. We'll see it today here in this video. Okay, let's begin. Okay, the first thing which you see here is the line tool. The first tool which you see here is the line tool, where as soon as I click on the line tool, the line tool is selected. Once line tool is selected, you can select any of the color of your choice from here, from the palette. If I choose green color, I can make a line of my choice. I can make a line of my choice. Okay. So here I can make a line, a straight line of my choice. So this helps you to make line. Okay. Then we have curve tool. Then we have curve tool. Which tool this is? This is a curve tool. Using a curve tool, you can make a curved line. Using a curve tool, you can make curved line. So this is a curve tool. Using the curve tool, you can make a curved line. Okay. Once again, I will show you. This is the curve tool. Using a curve tool, you can make a line of your choice. Okay. Curved line. Okay. Now, this is a curve tool. Okay. Now, next is the oval tool. Next is the oval tool. Using the oval tool, you can make an oval as well as you can make a what? You can make a circular tool. Okay. You can make a circular shape or oval shape. You can make any of the shape of your choice, either the oval shape or the circular shape. Okay. Then we have a rectangular tool. This is the rectangle tool. Using a rectangle tool, you can make a rectangle. Using a rectangle tool, you can make a rectangle as well as with the help of the rectangle tool, you can make a square as well. You can make a square as well using a rectangle tool. Then comes the triangle tool. Then comes the triangle tool. Using a triangle tool, you can make any of the triangular shape of your choice. If you wish to make a triangular shape in your drawing, you can go ahead and make a triangle of your choice. So this is a triangular tool. This is a triangular tool. Okay, so this is a house which has been made by me. Now, using the different tools I have made, or using the different shapes, I have made this house. Used a line tool, okay. Then I have used a curve tool. Then I have used a oval tool. Using the oval tool, I have made two shapes. One is the circular shape, the other is the oval shape. Then I have used the rectangular tool. Using a rectangular tool, I have made a rectangle as well as a square. Then I have used a triangular shape or the triangular tool and made a triangle here in my house. So these are the different tools which you have already studied in the previous class. Okay. Now we have a fill with color tool. This is the fill with color tool. This is just like a bucket with lots of paint. It is a bucket with lots of paint which helps you to fill the color into the closed shapes. Closed shapes में color भरने के लिए हम fill with color tool का use करते हैं. So for example, I want to color my house. So I'll use this fill with color tool and I'll choose a color. So I've choose the color and the bucket and I'll fill it here. Okay. Then once again, I'll choose the bucket. I'll choose the color. Okay. And I will fill it here. Okay. The same way I can fill the colors using the fill with color tool. By this way, what I have done is I have colored my house. So this is the way you can color your house. But you have to remember that fill with color tool is always used with the closed shapes. आपके shapes हमेशा closed होने चाहिए. For example, if your shape is closed, then you can easily fill color into it. If in case your shape is not, just give me a second. If in case your shape is not closed, it is open. If your shape is not closed and is open from somewhere, then fill with color tool is not a good option. Okay, then in that case, you cannot use the bucket. If you use this bucket or fill with color, what will happen? The color would leak and would spread all over to the screen. So we should always use this fill with color tool with the closed shapes. So which is the closed shape here? This is the closed shape here. So we should always use the closed shape. This is the closed shape. If we try to fill with color here in the open shape, it is wrong. We should never use it with the open shape. So this is the fill with color tool. Understood everyone? Now if I talk about the next tool, which is the eraser tool, what does eraser tool helps us in? Eraser tools helps us to erase. Eraser tools helps us to erase. So if you have made something wrong and if you want to wish to erase it, you can go ahead and erase it using the eraser tool. So this is the eraser tool, similar to the eraser which you use in your notebooks. This is the same eraser. So this is the eraser tool. I hope the quick revision related to the tools which you have already done in the second class is clear to you people. In the next class, we'll be talking about some of the new tools which you have not done in previous class. We'll be talking about that tools and how does that tools help us to make different drawings. We'll see in the next class.